It's Vicky. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're talking about candy patterns again. We're going to be talking about how to make your very own candy mask pattern. I'm going to show you guys, and the link will be in the description down below. Here's the mask template that I made. There is technically a feature on the site that is supposed to allow you to save and open someone else's candy pattern. I gave it a couple tries. It doesn't seem to be working properly. So, what you'll probably want to do is maybe open this in one page and then open the pattern maker in another page and just copy the shape and then draw whatever you want on it. So let's go to the pattern maker. And if your Flash player isn't on, you click on this lock, hit allow, and then refresh the page, and it should start working. We've got to make a template. And it's gonna need to be 23 beads wide, and then 15 rows tall. So we'll generate that. Let's draw it in white. So to draw the mask pattern, I'm gonna count 5 beads from the bottom edge, and then draw a straight line of 7 beads, and then draw a diagonal line going that way, and then down 3, up 3, and then all the way to the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Oh, I made a little mistake there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need the eraser here. So that is what the shape of the mask would look like. And then you would just draw whatever you want in the center. So I'm actually going to open the one I already had filled in. Mask template. So that I can show you. So this is what the shape should look like. And then as far as numbering it, I also made you guys a numbered version of the template so that you can see what the steps are. So this is what the numbered version of the template looks like. So this is going to be available for you to download. The steps are all numbered. So step 1 is all of these. Step 2 is these next. And just like I did with the peyote stitch, I want to show you the steps color coded. So here in hot pink, I'm going to draw step 1 for you. So if you were following the mask pattern, this is the part you would make first. And then let's say orange, and orange would be step 2. And then yellow, that would be step 3. Step 4 in green. Step 5 is blue. And step 6 will make purple. And then we'll start over again. Step 7 will be pink. Step 8, orange. And step 9 will be yellow. So this is the pattern of which you would place the beads on. So once you're finished with that part, then you move on to this part. This would be step 1 through 9, and then you'd move on to this part and finish it out. When I'm following a pattern, I definitely like to have it open on my computer screen. Sometimes I zoom in, so I'll do this and make it big. And then I'll just like hover my mouse over each bead. And then like, let's say I'll like memorize like, well, what are the next 4 beads I'm putting on? And then I'll just leave the cursor there and do all the 4 beads and then come back to it and be like, oh yeah, that's where I was. And then keep the mouse moving. and that helps me keep track of where I am in the pattern. So let's save this too. Of course, an important part of designing your candy pattern is that you're gonna save it. So hit upload, and we're gonna call this mask heat map. Oh, it's doing the not logged in glitch. Don't worry, just try again when it does that. Awesome. And once you've made your pattern, just go to all my patterns to open it. And then here is the heat map we just made. I hope that the resources I put together for you guys when it comes to making and following these mask patterns will be helpful. Let me know if you have any suggestions or questions related to candy patterns. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.